too.
Oh.
She can. I.
Gets trapped in my stomach because I'm going, you know? So I gotta like let it out. We're talented.
Oh my god.
I told you the air gets trapped. Oh. Oh my gosh. That's what I'm saying. One just like force them, unless I, you know, like air in my stomach. Like I'm about to burp right now.
Yo, that was actually good.
Rate it. No, I'm not gonna stop, guys. Oh my, thanks.
No, there's a little strainer. Damn! Wow. Okay, She kind of, yeah, okay.
Am I right? Oh my god.
Well,
That's what I'm saying.
I can say no.
Damn. Thank you. Still got more. I'm in boys' knee, by the way. Okay. Like, I could keep going. Yeah.
I won this last one.
That one's just now. Oh my gosh. That just came out. I'm sorry.
Call Asia back. We're trying to get.
Damn. Is this better? Oh, kiss her.
Oh. I can't burp fine like this.
No, see this? Right?
Woo! Just give me. There's a natural. If you want me to do it.
Like she.
That was bad.
Excuse me.
Oh.
Look at the
Oh my
scar
God.
tissue.
Oh, I have another one in there. I have another one. Oh, I told you half of it was still in there. Did for that?
Maybe.
Excuse me. Excuse me. That one was harsh. That one. Pardon me. Oh my gosh, that's what happens. Oh, freak. Okay, Josie, thank you. 5 out of 10. Because there's the other half of it. You see? Oh my gosh, it's not gonna stop now. That's still from before. Wow. I'm not coming. What do you mean? Ronald. It's still stuck in my stomach. Wow. That's. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're never gonna stop now.